In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Chatgpt using an MCP setup. To get started, open Notion and prepare the page or database you want Chatgpt to access. This part is important because whatever you connect later will only work smoothly if the content is already organized and easy to identify. If you're using a database, make sure the structure is clear. If you're using a regular page, confirm that it contains the information you actually want ChatGPT to read or help update. Next, create your Notion integration or MCP connection. This is the step that allows Notion and ChatGPT to communicate securely. Depending on your setup, you may be using Notion's integration tools directly or a compatible MCP connection method. The main goal here is to establish a trusted connection between your workspace and the tool that will send requests. Once that's done, copy the required Notion token or the connection details provided during setup. Be careful with this information because it works like a secure credential for access. You'll want to keep it private and only use it in the correct configuration area. If you're recording your screen or sharing instructions with someone else, this is the kind of information that should always stay hidden. After that, go back to Notion and share the correct page with the integration. This is one of the most common places where people run into trouble. Even if the integration exists and the token is valid, ChatGPT still won't be able to access your content unless the specific page or database has been shared with that integration. So take a moment to confirm you've selected the right page. Now open ChatGPT or your MCP compatible setup tool, depending on the workflow you're using. From there, add the Notion MCP server connection using the token or connection details you copied earlier. This is where the actual link gets completed, allowing the system to communicate with your Notion workspace. With the connection added, test it by asking ChatGPT to read or update your Notion content. Start with a simple request so it's easy to confirm whether the connection is working correctly. For example, you can ask it to read a page, summarize a section, or update content you already expect it to see. If ChatGPT can't access the correct page, the issue is usually related to permissions. Go back and double check that the right Notion page was shared with the integration and make sure the connection details were added correctly. Once permissions are fixed, test again, and your Notion and ChatGPT setup should work smoothly.